Hey there everyone, welcome to this video. It's your YouTube tutor here, and today I want to teach you how to solve 57 squared in this fast and simple trick I just discovered. Follow me as I show you how. So we take our first digit, which is 5, and square 5. 5 squared gives us 25, so we can put 25 on one side this way. The next digit is 7. So we take 7 and we square it, which gives us 49. We combine it here. What do we do next? We multiply 5 by 7 and by the exponent 2. So we take 5 times 7, which gives us what? 35, and by 2, which gives us 70. So we write 70 and we add another 0 to the end and sum it all up. 9 plus 0 is 9, 4 plus 0 is 4. 7 plus 5 is 12, so we write 2 and bring 1 here. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 57 squared is 3,249. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next time. Bye bye.